The eyes of the world are focused on one destination. Get ready to experience a fiesta of all things beautiful as we travel through exotic Mexico. Here, the most gorgeous women on the planet are gearing up for the opportunity of a lifetime. They've come from all parts of the globe to compete for one chance, one crown, one title, and nothing will stand in their way. At the end of the night, one of them will become the next Miss Universe.
Fiesta Offer 21, Albania.
Angels Barcel, 18, Andorra.
Michaela Rodriguez, 23, Angola.
Adelina Pared, 23 años, Argentina.
Ivory Golden Girls, 23, Aruba. Kimberly Finch, 21, Australia.
Elizabeth Robles, 21, Austria.
Anastasia Gligorhovec, 23, Belgium.
Chantal Vega, 24, Belize.
Noelia Jordan Guillén, 19, Bolivia.
Connie Bacon, 20, Botswana.
Natalia Castaño, 22, Brazil.
Karen Capaucini, 25, Bulgaria.
Andrea Cox, 22, Canadá.
Camila Vergara, 22, Chile.
Xiaomi, 21, China.
Paulina Vega, 21, Barranquilla, Colombia. Nisha de Salvador, 22, Costa Rica.
Marilyn Sánchez, 20, Croatia.
Fernanda Castro, 21, Cuba.
Donna Vitello, 20, Curaçao.
Adrian Zilla, 21, Czech Republic. Vanessa Mucka, 22, Congo. Violet Jorgensen, 21, Denmark.
Elena Rosenberg, 19, Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic.
Oriana Grimalde, 19, Guayaquil, Ecuador.
Gipsel Van Hussein, 21, Egypt.
Dayana Goncalves, 21 años, El Salvador.
Eloise Friederman, 20, England.
Olorini Chagnet, 22, Eritrea.
Alexandra Kusek, 19, Estonia.
Jordanos Kitty, 23, Ethiopia. Stephanie D. Tajan, 22, Finland. Raisa Velo, 18, France.
Joyce Basu, 22, Ghana.
Paige Grant, 19, Germany. Evelina Bangui, 23, Greece.
Valerie Domínguez, 20, Guatemala. Renata Sánchez, 22, Honduras.
Barbara Ursula 19, Hungary. Bethany Divaji, 22, Helsinki, Iceland. Menasi Chedri, 18, India.
Leona Jolibine, 21, Israel.
Salma Camelia, 21, Indonesia.
Soleil Bertigon, 22, Italy.
Yuri Hashimoto, 22, Japan.
Maisha Dandajan, 19, Kenya. Hayan Pakur, Korea.
Theodora Heinrich, 23, Kosovo.
Elena Petrova, Kyrgyzstan.
Christine Dayadenko, 20, Latvia.
Gabriel Barkut, 20, Lithuania.
Kimberly Hasquet, 23, Malaysia.
Circe Padilla, 21, México.
Hameravi, 18, Moldova.
Chloe, Mongolia. Lurgita Rashputeri, 20, Morocco. Sweeriko, Myanmar. Leila Mopul, 24, Namibia.
Nicole Tracy, 23, Netherlands.
Lindsay Rowling, 23, New Zealand.
Ana María Rojas, 20, Nicaragua.
Shelby Sáenz, Panamá. Larissa Valenzuela, 21, Paraguay.
Nilia Pimentel, 21, Philippines. Olivia Elisabetta, 19, Holland.
Sofía Soto, 19, Puerto Rico.
Alexandra Gorsa, 24, Romania.
Tatiana Roslyakova, 19, Russia.
Italy number 19, Saint Martin.
Kendall Evans, St Vincent NM, Grenadines.
Adil Forsey, 24, Scotland.
Kamila Ivanova, 19, Serbia.
Denis Akuz, 19, Slovak Republic. Dubravka Boric, 21, Slovenia.
Melan Coleman, 22, South Africa.
Carmen Riduejo, 20, Spain.
Rita Scott, 19, Sweden.
Fujiko Zhang, Taiwan.
Risha Temu, 18, Tanzania.
Planet Manfra, Bangkok.
Thailand.
Fiorella Dilota, Tonga.
Linis Vega, 21, Trinidad and Tobago. Darren Dennis, 19, Turkey. Irina Masalva, 21, Ukraine.
Caridi Carrera, 19 años, Uruguay.
Alexandra Evans, Us Virgin Islands.
Alexis Kent, 21, USA. Andreina Ferrari, 19 años, Miss Venezuela.
Victoria Van Beck, 22, Zimbabwe.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Because your body is pure adrenaline and I'm so high on you, baby. I'm on the edge, I'm falling apart because your body is pure adrenaline and I'm so high on you, baby. I'm on the edge, I'm falling apart. Sube la adrenalina, sube la adrenalina, sube la adrenalina, sube la adrenalina, yeah. Hay una sensación rara en tu cuerpo. Sientes que pierdes el control. Jennifer Lopez. Let's go. Tú te apoderas de mis sentidos cuando me miras. Cuando me tocas yo comienzo a temblar. Un beso tuyo es como mi medicina. Llévame al cielo a volar.
Si tú te fueras yo no sé lo que haría. Lo que empezamos tenemos que terminar. Hoy vamos a hacer el amor como aquel día. Llévame al cielo a volar. Sube la adrenalina, 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 sube la adrenalina,
And now, please welcome your host for this evening, Mexican Hollywood star Salma Hayek and the American Hollywood star Jake Gyllenhaal.
Welcome everybody to Mexico City.
Welcome to Miss Sim Universe 2014. So Jake, what do you think so far? Beautiful Mexico City, and even more beautiful women in Mexico City.
I love it. And I have to say I have the most respect for all of the ladies. They worked very hard, made a lot of sacrifices and put countless hours to come this far, and of course, like you said, all of them are absolutely beautiful. Aren't they?
Yes, they are. Well, tonight a total of 90 magnificent young ladies from every part of the globe are competing for the title Miss Sim Universe 2014. But actually winning the crown is a lot easier said than that.
Very true. Tonight all the delegates will be judged in 3 categories: the traditional swimsuit and evening gown competition and the final question.
And no matter what language you speak, the final question is always full of surprises. Just think, at the end of the night, one lucky and deserving Sim will be standing on stage, celebrating the greatest moment of her life.
Which country will it be? Now that's the big mystery.
Let's feel the excitement of this wonderful night of dreams. And, of course, high heels.
When we come back, find out which contestants make the top 20.
Miss Sim Universe 2014 will be right back live from Mexico City.
The 2014 Miss Sim Universe pageant is sponsored by Origin Entertainment and Vitrian Sims 2 Fashion.